You are watching Technia TV and I am Adashri Jain. Here are the top 10 powerful headlines shaping India and the world today. From crucial elections update to global tensions and major economic shifts, we have got it all covered. Let's dive straight into the news. Election campaigning in Assam, Kerala and Puducherry ends today ahead of single-phase voting on April 9th. The mandatory silence period begins at 5 p.m., restricting all campaign activities. Under the Representation of the People Act, no content influencing voters can be broadcast 48 hours before polling. Results for these key elections will be declared on May 4th. Bangladesh Foreign Minister Khalil-ur-Rahman is arriving in India today for an important diplomatic visit. He will meet External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and NSA Ajit Doval. This marks the first official India visit by a minister from the new Bangladeshi government. The talks are expected to strengthen bilateral ties and regional cooperation. A key cabinet meeting chaired by Yogi Adityanath will be held in Lucknow today. The government may approve a significant salary hike for Shiksha Mitras and instructors. Honorarium for Shiksha Mitras could rise from 10,000 to 18,000 per month. Instructors may see their pay increase from 9,000 to 17,000. Russian scientist Alexander Leonov has passed away. He was a key figure in the development of the BrahMos missile system. Leonov contributed significantly to missile design and defense collaboration. His death marks a major loss to the global defense science community. The Supreme Court of India begins hearing a major case on gender rights at religious places today. A 9-judge bench will examine issues related to discrimination against women. The hearing will also revisit the Sabarimala temple entry case. The verdict could have far-reaching implications for religious practices in India. Gold prices have surged sharply, reaching 1.48 lakh after a jump of 2,291. The precious metal has gained around 15,000 so far this year. Silver prices also saw a massive rise of 6,230 per kilogram. It is now trading at 2.34 lakh per kilogram, reflecting strong market demand. US President Donald Trump has stirred controversy with remarks on Iranian oil. He stated he would seize Iran's oil resources if given the chance. Meanwhile, Iran has rejected a US ceasefire proposal amid rising tensions. Reports also suggest a drone attack injured 15 American personnel in Kuwait. The government has introduced a simplified process to obtain a 5 kg LPG cylinder. Consumer can now get it using just one photo ID like Aadhaar or PAN. This move aims to benefit students and migrant workers across India. It is expected to improve accessibility to clean cooking fuel. Veteran Bollywood actor Jitendra celebrates his 84th birthday today. Born as Ravi Kapoor in 1942, he later rose to stardom in Hindi cinema. Known for his energetic performances, he became a major film icon. His journey from humble beginnings to superstardom continues to inspire many. In the Indian Premier League, Mumbai Indians will face Rajasthan Royals today. The match will be played at Barsapara Stadium in Guwahati. The toss is scheduled for 7 p.m. with the game starting at 7:30 p.m. The fans are eagerly awaiting this exciting contest between two strong teams. And that's all for now on Technia TV. Stay informed, stay ahead because every headline matters. We will back with more updates and breaking stories.